Want to switch between different gimbal modes like follow, tilt, locked, or FPV on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? By choosing the right mode, you can completely change how your footage looks. In this video, I'll show you how to edit and change the gimbal mode on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's jump right in. First, turn on your camera, swipe down to bring the control center. Now select the gimbal modes from the right corner of the second row. Here you will get 3 options like follow, tilt locked, FPV, and FPV locked. Follow option works for smooth pan and tilt, which is best for vlogs and walking. Then tilt locked, it keeps tilt steady. This is good for steady forward shots. Then FPV, this is more dynamic, follows roll as well. And finally FPV locked. In this mode, the camera's tilt is locked at the right angle, perpendicular to the handle. It will maintain this position even if you restart the camera or recenter the gimbal with the double press of the button. The camera's roll is also unlocked. Just like in standard FPV mode, you can choose what mode you need. And that's it. This is how you can change the gimbal mode on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.